I'm Dr. Neha and I'm working as Inspire faculty in Department of Biotechnology, UIT, Punjab University. So basically we have developed this UV disinfection chamber which is based on the UVC light disinfection, which is a germicidal light, and the system consists of twin door, a front door and a rear door. This was basically manufactured for the food delivery outlets or other offices and malls, from where we can keep our belongings or the packaged food, fresh vegetables, fruits, and even our masks which we want to sanitize. So as and when we'll open this chamber, the UV light will be switched off automatically, and we'll keep our belongings like these mobile phone, keys, our mask. You can keep it. We'll shut it down and we'll switch it off on. Automatically the light will be switched on, and we'll keep it in this chamber for around 10 minutes. वैसे तो the items they will be disinfected within 5 minutes as well, but for proper insurance of all the surfaces, since the metal, paper and all things, the virus exposure dose varies with the surface. So that's why we'll keep it for 5 to 10 minutes in this chamber, and after the incubation time is over, we can collect our belongings from the other end. After entering the whatever the office, institute, mall or the shop, so we can collect it from this side like this, and we can see the light is again switched off as and when the door is open. So it's quite safe to the customer as well, as the UV exposure is quite harmful to humans, and so keeping that in mind, we have kept this mode in it, automatic shut off. So why we developed it? Basically, as we can see, the coronavirus, that is quite a deadly virus, and the pandemic is spreading even in the community as well, and the people, they need the eatables from outside, even the fresh fruits or like that. In offices, we have to supply the files, the papers to the other person, and during that time the social distancing is sometimes not possible. So for that, these systems, they can be used. Like we can keep the items from one side, and the other person can receive it from the other end without touching it. So the disinfected items, they can be delivered from one end to the other person. So this was the idea behind the development of this chamber. So yeah, I'm a biotechnologist, and even my husband, he is also a biotech person. So he is quite interested in the equipment development. So we work together at home. He is also a research person in biotech only. And then we worked on it, and then we discussed it with a company professional, that is the MSys India. This is an Ambala-based company. Mr. Rajesh Kumar is the director of this company. So he helped us in developing the idea into a product, complete product. We told him that we have used 3 UV tubes in it. Since the other chambers that are available, other institutes, they have also developed such decontamination chambers, but this particular one, we have kept the UV tubes in such a way. Multiple tubes have been used, 3 tubes, one at the top and 2 at these 2 sides. So the complete disinfection can be possible from all the sides. We are even working on the modification, further modification. This is a standard system for low cost. The manufacturing cost of this double body system, insulated system, is around 6,000. And I think when it will be available as a commercial product, so the bulk cost, that will be quite reduced, and it will be available at around 6 to even including the labor cost as well.